write anything on your computer, you need to get grammar.
I write pretty much all day, every day, and
What up, guys?
my writing better.
KCRC Lock Bouncer here.
Actually,
Let me turn this down a little bit.
As I'm writing it.
Grammar errors, spelling errors.
Here is Hedgehog. I guess calling it Sonic could vary because sometimes it might go fast up and sometimes it might not go as fast. So I guess that'll just depend on run by run. Well, yeah, if you watch my YouTube channel, which obviously you're watching it now, last Friday I started out with this, did a video, I think I did a video on Saturday. I did it on Friday or Saturday, I'm not sure. But we went from this to what you see here. Now, this was actually built, I cut all the metal pieces, all the bars. I built this with DinkyRC, Matt Dinkenbrain. He did all the welding, he did all the bending. It was definitely a collaboration as far as when we put it together. I brought him that model and he was inspired about me wanting to really get it done and get to bring this to Texas for the first race of the RC NRRS series. Yeah, so here we are, just under a week later. I finished it, today is Thursday. I finished it this morning at like 4:35 a.m. A lot of work went into this thing. I've got about 8 hours on this. The first night over that I worked up mats, we put about 7.5 hours into it. The second day, I think we put about 5.5 hours into it. So I'm over 20 hours into this build, just till we got it all welded up and done. And then I brought it home and I cleaned it up. We MIG welded everything without gas, so there was a bit of splatter here and there. He did a good job with the welds, but I mean it's just part of the way we were welding. So I spent about 3 hours cleaning it up with the Dremel disc and round sanding drum, and then painting. I painted it last night, or into this morning, I guess. I've already ran it once. I was actually going to get video of my run today, but I got down there and I didn't have the camera, and I'm actually kind of glad I didn't because there's no distraction on holding the camera and trying to get a good shot and this and that. I just ran one whole battery pack, which these are Gen's Ace Adventure Series. They're 3S, I think 2200 milliamp 3S batteries. So this thing did great. It did absolutely amazing. I'm very happy, very pleased with how it turned out. Just so I can spin it for you a little bit. Put 360 on it. Yeah. So there she is. So yeah, I'm just so excited about this, man. I still have my Donald Jenkins bouncer, the one that Dinky also modified. That one. I actually might sell it. I don't know. I could always build another one. I'm thinking about doing a custom one for my driver and stuff. That way I can get rid of a little of the extra cage work around it. Just get it even more performance oriented. I don't know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, what do I want to say about this? She gets it done. Took it down the street and there's like 10 or 11 hills, maybe even 13, I don't know, on this main wall, and the sun hits it every morning. So anytime there's bad weather, which there was snow a day or two ago, and then it was, or yesterday, and then it was like 4 to 10 degrees out today. So it refroze it, but those hills were clean. They were just frozen solid. But man, this thing was getting up. There's a couple hills out there that if you do it once, in the time that you go visit, you're doing good. But this thing went it like 3 and 4 times within like 10 tries. So very happy with it. She needs a little more wheel speed. Right now it's got a Holmes Hobby Trailmaster 3300 kV. Yeah, 3300 kV. It's got a 14 tooth pinion and a 56 tooth spur. It's running on 3S, but I can run it on 4. I just don't have any 4S packs. As you can see, I painted my Vanquish diff headers front and rear. I actually just put the front one on a few minutes ago. Then I don't want to change it up. Put this together and torn it down so much in the last few days. Because this thing got built in less than a week. From the time it got started out as a wood chassis. What? Hold on, guys.
I made stuff.
That's really sweet, baby. Where was I? Yeah, this motor on 4S is crazy. Running the same shock setup as on the other bouncer. 110 millimeter per line pro scales. Or pro spec scalar shocks. That's full compression right there. It barely touches. I love the front end of this. I dig it so much. It reminds me of like Taz and Jake Pike's vehicle. James Stewart's looks a little bit like the front end of this. The rear had to incorporate a sway bar, which you can see we put these tabs in there and welded them in all nice. Same with, I got a decent amount of selection for my rear shock location if I ever want to switch up and get custom length trailing arms or go back to 4 length just to make it a crawler for a little while, whatever. 2 in the front. But yeah, guys, what else to say about it? It's got Vanquish SDX 10.2 rock jocks under it. 8-hole shooters. They're the eBay version, just as good as Vanquish. Hate to say it, but it's true. But yeah, that's another topic. Vanquish twin hammer trailing arms. Custom links on the top, front, and rear. The front lowers are actually Incision Vanquish links, or Incision SCX 10.2 links. I don't know if it's for the bottoms or the uppers, but anyways, it's got Incision SCX 10.2 guide tracks under there, which are stout as always. An axial Wraith front sway bar kit with my own custom made sway bar. I actually went and bought music wire and then milled it down or worked it down to where it would fit in the sway bar and then slowly trimmed on it to get it where I like it. If you have a sway bar setup, I suggest you do the same. Yeah, guys. She's planted. I'll see you guys out on the hill. Oh yeah, Mamba X still on speed control. Nothing's changed there. I built this because I guess this will be the last thing I have to say about it. The reason building this, other than just wanting to build a rig, this bouncer, as it is a bit performance based, and it's become performance based in the setup, but it's scale based as well, driver, steering wheel, nitrous bottle, fuel cell, limiter straps, panels, extra panels that you don't need. Adds a lot of weight to it, gives it a lot of character. I absolutely love this bouncer, but it's not, in my opinion, 100% performance oriented. It's scale and it's challenging and it's a blast to drive, and it's a very capable rig. It's difficult to drive. My buddy Matt was we were out not too long ago, and he drove his Yeti the whole time we were out, which we were out for at least an hour and a half hill killing. And I handed him my controller after his died, and he just said right away, it's like, holy cow, this is different. It's like, how? It's like, I got to make sure I don't roll this over. It's like, yeah, you know, that's the big downfalls. It's easy to roll over, but it's narrow, so it can get through stuff really well. Yeah, pros and cons. Anyways, I wanted another 1.9 bass bouncer, but performance based, no panels, no interior, no extra accessories, just pure hill performance. And this is what I came up with, guys. Thanks so much to Matt DinkyRC. Knocked it out of the park. Had a ton of fun with him. We spent a good, I don't know, man. We had to spend at least 15, 16 hours in his shop total. Had a great time with him. I mean, by the last night we worked on it, he actually had me over for dinner. His wife Angie made dinner, and it was delicious. I wish I would have ate more. Should have ate more. I had 4 burritos, or 3. I don't know. Wasn't enough. Should have ate more. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Looking forward to Bridgeport. I was gonna keep this a secret, but yeah, screw it. Whatever. Enjoy it, guys. Later.